But what exactly happened? I'll break it down for you. It was first Rahul Gandhi who raised the issue of China once again in the Lok Sabha. Just to recap your memory, this is exactly what played out yesterday as well in the Lok Sabha. You had Rahul Gandhi raising the issue of China, the unpublished memoir of General Naravane. Very clearly, the speaker said nothing doing, this will not be allowed. Once again today, Rahul Gandhi sought to address the exact same issue. The speaker again refused permission for the same. Repeatedly told Rahul Gandhi, you reply to the president's address, do not mention this particular issue. Amid that, one MP, in fact there, in all likelihood KC Venugopal, referred to the chair while objecting to what was happening as yar. The chair immediately objected, saying this kind of language is simply not allowed in the parliament. You cannot call me yar. Have some respect for the person seated in the chair, seated as the speaker at that moment. And so at that point, he said very clearly, Rahul Gandhi will not be allowed to speak. He moved on to the next opposition MP. One opposition MP after another, all of them refused to speak. Finally, the opportunity moved on to someone in the treasury benches. Opposition MPs then stormed into the well of the House, started tearing up papers, throwing it at the chair, and the government immediately after that, the House was adjourned. So the government then moved a resolution to suspend 8 MPs. Papers were thrown again at the chair, and that has led to the suspension of these 8 MPs for the remainder of the session. The Lok Sabha stands adjourned till tomorrow, which means brace yourself for another stormy session tomorrow as well. Here's a roundup of what played out.
The Chinese, China.
Fireworks erupted on day 2 of discussion on President's address in Lok Sabha. Ruckus broke out after Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi once again mentioned China, quoting from former Army Chief General M.M. Naravane's unpublished memoir.
The relationship between us and the Chinese.
Please continue with your speech, we are waiting, but please avoid referring to a matter which has been settled.
Just like on the first day, the chair interrupted, saying Rahul must speak only on the President's address.
Mr. Venugopal, kindly be seated once again. No, listen. No, please listen. What did you say just now? What is this yar? What is this yar? This is Parliament, this is Lok Sabha. You can't address the chair. You cannot address the chair with yar.
Chaos escalated as the opposition claimed Rahul Gandhi was being gagged by the speaker.
पहली चीज बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं. मोदी जी घबराए हुए हैं.
आप उसको पसंद करो नहीं पसंद करो, लेकिन वो तो लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन इन इंडिया है. उसको तो मानना पड़ेगा, रिस्पेक्ट देना होगा. उसका वॉइस चुप कर देंगे तो हमारा क्या वॉइस होगा?
The situation worsened when the chair attempted to move on to other speakers.
माननीय श्रीमती शताब्दी राय. माननीय श्रीमती शताब्दी राय.
This did not go down well with the opposition. Congress MPs Manikam Tagore, Gurjeet Aujla, Raja Waring, Hebe Eden, Kiran Reddy and Venkat Raman stood on a table and threw papers towards the chair.
One of the members addressed the chair as yar, which I found objection to. I took objection to that. Then later on they came onto the table and tore papers and threw at the chair, which is very, very objectionable behavior.
जब लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन को नहीं बोलने देखो, बाकी पीछे बच के जाता है. गवर्नमेंट ये डायरेक्शन थोड़ा ना करेगी. ये आप नहीं बोल सकते, ये बोल सकते हो. ये बात सुने, आराम से सुने, हम जो भी कहते हैं सुन लो. उसके बाद देश के सामने आप अपना पक्ष भी रखो.
कल पूरा दिन अपोजिशन लीडर राहुल गांधी जी का बोलने नहीं दिया. ऑथेंटिकेट करना है बोल रहे थे. आज ऑथेंटिकेट करके दे दिया राहुल गांधी जी ने. उसके बाद बोलने नहीं दे रहे थे.
The government moved a resolution to suspend the unruly MPs.
श्री मणिकम टैगोर, श्री अमरिंदर सिंह राजा वारिंग, श्री गुरजीत सिंह औलिया, श्री हेबी एडन प्रशांत पडोले, श्री दीन करियोकोस, एस वेंकटेश and Kiran Reddy resolved that the above mentioned members may be suspended from the services of the House.
Even as the resolution was being passed, more papers were thrown at the chair. Amid the ruckus, 8 MPs were suspended. Opposition leaders questioned the decision.
यहाँ पे ये तस्वीर आप देख रहे हैं जहाँ पे राहुल गांधी तमाम सांसदों के साथ खड़े हैं जो सस्पेंड हो गए हैं।
जो सस्पेंडेड है वो आगे आ जाए।
ईबी एडेन, राहुल गुरजीत औजला, राजा वॉरिंग यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं।
सस्पेंडेड वाले आगे आ जाए।
तमाम कांग्रेस के एमपी मकर द्वार से राहुल गांधी के साथ निकलते हुए यहाँ पे।
The Lok Sabha was adjourned till Wednesday shortly after 3 p.m. on a day that saw much drama and little work. With Piyush Mishra and Mausami Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.
सभा की कार्रवाई बुधवार दिनांक 4 फरवरी 2026 को प्रातः 11 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की